welcome back to my channel. So before we hop into this video, make sure you subscribe if you're not already and turn your bell notifications on so that way you're the first to see when I make an upload. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you guys how I like to refreshen my curls and just bring my hair back to life, because right now it's looking a hot mess. So I'm going to go ahead and take this water with a little bit of conditioner in it. I always put like a little bit of conditioner inside my water bottle. That way it's like a little homemade leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to spray that all throughout my hair, making sure to saturate every strand, or at least most of my hair. But I don't want to wet it too much. It's not a wash day, so I don't want super wet hair. I just want it damp enough so I can start to apply product. So I'm going to go ahead and take this brush. It's like a wet brush, and I love it so much. It helps detangling so much easier for me. My hair is pretty much already detangled, so I don't want to comb it out too much. You want to keep that low manipulation thing going on to preserve your hair. You don't want to brush it out too much. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. It's a 10 Miracle leave-in conditioner, and this is pretty much almost gone because I use this stuff every day. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my hair, focusing on my ends and like the crown of my hair, because I notice the back of my hair and the middle of my hair and my ends are always the driest. And keep in mind, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, so it needs the most TLC. So I'm going to take this LouAna coconut oil, and I'm just going to use a little bit, you guys. Like I said, it's not a wash day, so I already have product in my hair from when I did wash my hair earlier during the week. So I'm just bringing my curls back to life, and you don't want to add too much product when you already have product in your hair. So yeah, same thing, focusing on my ends and applying that to like the crown of my head and the middle back area where it's always dry. So now I'm going to go in with this Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Coconut Curl Styling Cream. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, you already know that I really love this stuff. They actually came out with some more products, but this is one of my favorite styling creams. I noticed that most styling creams or curl defining creams are super thick and heavy. This one is very lightweight and it smells so good. So now I'm going to go ahead and slay my edges with this 24-hour edge tamer, and I always like do my edges on wet hair. So if you've used this edge control and it left like white residue, that's probably because you used it on dry hair. I notice when my hair is wet and I do my edges, it never leaves that white residue. It just works so good. And you know, I kind of like the little dramatic edges. I do the most. It's cool. So I'm going to top my hair off with this hair repair polisher with aloe vera in it. And this is also one of my favorite serums. I also love the Fructis serum. I always use that one. But this one is super cool too, because it adds, I feel like this one actually does add more shine than the Fructis one. So y'all already know the deal. I like to go ahead and add a little finger coils in my bang. I just love having a super defined bang with them perfect curls in the front, and I just add them all sporadically throughout my hair, not everywhere. I literally add like just some extra curls to my bang and probably in the back of my hair, because my hair is so dry in the back. I don't know why, but it just gives it more definition, and when it dry it doesn't look so dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be right back. So I'm back and my hair is 100% dry. My makeup is done. I'm feeling myself, but I feel like no matter how much product I put in my hair is always so dry looking. So I'm adding a little bit more of that aloe vera hair polisher serum just to add some more shine to my hair. And serums is cool because, like I said, it doesn't weigh your hair down like oils. Oils will still moisturize your hair and add that shine, but it's gonna weigh your hair down. So I'm just adding that serum and breaking apart my curls and like fluffing out my roots just to create that volume that I'm looking for, because I like super big poofy hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my lip gloss, and this is Ella Allure lip gloss, the best lip gloss ever. I'll have everything in the description box for you guys, and just stay tuned for my next upload, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah.